How to fix Quick Share not working on Samsung phone. The first thing you want to do is open up your settings. Now tap on Connected Devices option. Here, tap on Quick Share. Now locate the option of Who can share with you. Tap on that. Here, select Everyone and tap on Done. Now scroll down and tap on the About Quick Share option. Here, if any update is available, it will be shown. So you simply want to tap on the update option to update this to the latest version. As you can see, mine says the latest version is already installed. Now, you want to check if the problem has been fixed. If it is not fixed, you want to open up your settings again and tap on the apps option. From here, locate Quick Share and tap on that. Now tap on the storage option. Tap on Clear Cache, then tap on Clear Data and delete the application's data. After this, open up Quick Share and check if your problem has been fixed. And that's it for this video. If you found it useful, make sure to hit the like button and subscribe for more videos like this.